Welcome to the second largest city in Canada. Let's explore the vibrant culture, hidden gems, and the must-see spots in Montreal together.
As soon as we arrive in Montreal, our first stop is Mount Royal Park.
If you watched our previous video about the New York City, you already know that we fell in love with the Central Park. And this is interesting that we just noticed that this park was designed by the same guy who designed the Central Park in New York City.
From here, we take a lovely short hike up to an observation deck to get some great views of Montreal. You can drive to the top if you want to as well. There is a building at the top with washrooms, a cafe, and a gift shop. This place is perfect for hiking, picnicking, or just chilling out with amazing city views. Whether you're here for a morning run, a lazy afternoon with friends, or a stunning sunset, Mount Royal has something for everyone. If you're in Montreal, definitely explore it.
Our second stop in Montreal is St. Joseph Oratory.
Here we are at Marché Talon, or John Talon Market. It's got one of the most vibrant atmosphere of a market. It's located in the heart of Little Italy district in Montreal. Let's go and explore it together. It's got one of the highest quality of produce I've ever seen anywhere. Like this all the time. The quality of the produce is like something else. I've never seen anything like that. Price-wise, a little bit more expensive than, for instance, Toronto that I can compare, but quality is just like something else. Here we are at Montreal's Botanical Garden. Now that's what I call a garden. It's got different styles of flowers, greenery, Japanese, Chinese. It's a great place, and what I like about it is that it seems to be right in the middle of Montreal, so right on. Cool tent. Here we are at Old Port of Montreal, and it's really quiet today, and it's a long weekend. I love it.
Now we are checking the Notre-Dame Basilica in Montreal. It's an absolute architectural gem. This stunning Gothic church is famous for its breathtaking interior. It includes wood carvings, vibrant stained glass windows, and an awe-inspiring altar. If you're into architecture, it's a must-visit place when you're in the city.
We are at Old Montreal, and now that's what I call a pedestrian-friendly area. Full of flowers, decorations, ornaments, it's beautiful. If you're in town, you should definitely place this. I've noticed that a lot of people in Montreal cycle around the city. At first I didn't understand, but now I can understand. There is so much construction around the city that it makes no more sense for you to drive around the city. In fact, there is a saying that they say there is 2 seasons in Montreal. It's either winter or construction. If you're from Montreal, let us know in the comment section below how you prefer to get around the city.
Now it's time to try this beloved Canadian dish, poutine. Let us know if you've ever tried this dish and what's your opinion about it.
We are still at Old Port of Montreal, and it offers a lot of different activities and, you know, entertainment here. You can go on zip lining, rent a paddleboard, cycle. It's one of the most vibrant lakeshore areas we've ever seen. So we're basically in downtown Montreal, and what I really like about it, there is so much patio-like restaurants here, and the culture, the vibe is totally laid back. This is something that I really like about folks in Montreal. Across the street is Museum of Fine Arts of Montreal. We heard so much about it. We wanted to check it out, but unfortunately it's past 5 o'clock. We couldn't make it before 5 o'clock on Sunday. It's closed, but you can see the outside. And tomorrow is Victoria Day. We couldn't make it, but maybe some other time. We are at McGill University. It's located downtown Montreal. If you're from McGill University, or if you've ever studied at McGill University, let us know what you think about this university. You know, it's one of the most renowned universities in Quebec and also Canada, but I'd like to know the opinion of those who have studied at McGill University. Our final stop is Underground City after taking a walk through downtown core area of Montreal. Here we are at a place that Montrealers call Underground City. Underground City is basically the name applied to a series of interconnected office towers, hotels, shopping centers, residence and commercial complexes. I think it's because to avoid harsh winters during wintertime.
There you have it, folks. Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it useful. If you like exploring and traveling videos, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Until next time.